It happened again. Matilda will get the eggs back, but maybe we won't. Then what happens? Matilda, stop making a fool of yourself. The pigs are gonna think you're weak, and then they'll never give them back. Well, technically, they never give them back. We just steal it from them. Yeah, good point, Chuck. Can you pull yourself together? I need to go on Facebook and post so many cool stuff. And then I gotta do it the same on Instagram. And then on Twitter I need to complain about my server at McDonald's. Because that guy was awful. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, I did. I definitely did. Yeah. Huh, that was weird. How? You go check it out. But why me? Because, why not? Yeah, I guess no one ever makes me in their YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Hey, watch that long beak. Oh, shut up. Well, time to tweet about how. Hashtag 1-star rating. I think it came from over here and oh my god! Who are you? Are you a little angry bird? I wasn't. Who are you? I'm Iceberg. I come from space. Who are you? I'm Hal. Oh, that space adventure? Yeah, I wasn't there, so, yeah. And Bomb, I think. Yeah, Bomb was there, Chuck was there, Red was there, Blue was there. I think they were all there except for me and Stella. Was Bubbles there? Yes, he was. Oh, well, he must still be there because he hasn't come home. Yes, he is. Huh. Can you tell him my story? Thanks. Anyway, see ya. Wait. What? It came down for a reason. Why? Because I heard your eggs were stolen, and this might be really bad this time. Really? Why? I don't know. It just might be. Okay. Well, why are you here then? Because it might be really bad this time. You don't know. It might be even harder than usual. Usually we just have bomb, and we go bomb the castle, and then we steal the eggs, then, they have to rebuild their castle, and it happens all over again. This time it might be different. Alright, what are you trying to say? They stole a thing from space. What do you mean? They stole a mineral from space called potassium infinionite. Comment down below if you know what that means. If you know what reference. But, yeah, it's a really strong material that might be harder for you to steal the eggs because their castle might be evolving with power and lasers and, they might have an army of, mechanical stuff, you don't know. Like robots? Yeah, like robots. Yeah, sure. Whoa! Oh my god, I gotta take you to the other birds. Come with me. Okay. Guys, look who I found. Hey. Oh my god, you're freezing cold. Get away from me. 1 star. Okay. Remember this guy? I remember him. Yeah. I'm not sure if I ever went to space. But because I'm so sad about the eggs. Well, for all you newcomers, hi, I'm Iceberg. Oh, that's why you're so cold. Well, get away from me. Okay. Yeah, I'm Iceberg. I don't really have a name because I don't really have parents, so, call myself Iceberg. Because that's what I am. Yeah, you're literally a bird made of ice. Well, technically you're just a giant ice cube with a beak, but hey, don't be rude. Okay, well, why are you here? He said that the pigs are evolving and they got something called potassium infinionite. This thing can destroy anything if they know what to do. Well, looks like we'll be safe because they don't know what to do with anything. I'm just gonna go back in my spot. Stella, scooch over. Oh, fine. Yeah, I get to sit here now. Oh my god, why does he always have to sit next to me? It's so cold. Guys, that made me want to get a jacket. Oh, you want to go, old woman? Huh? You want to go? I will Twitter war you to the death. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Alright, listen. So, Potassium Infinite, this can destroy anything, did you say? Yeah, that's kind of true. Yeah, that's the exact same thing I said, yeah. But they don't know how to use it, so we should be good. But just because they don't know how to use it doesn't mean they could use it differently. Well, what do you mean? Destroying anything is just the worst thing you can do with it. You can also build intelligent devices and, a lot of random stuff. So, is this thing like a super weapon? If you use it correctly. Correct. Oh my god. So, you just let them take it? You don't think I tried? It was like 5 of them versus 1 of me. Can't you just freeze them with your powers? I need to be hydrated. So you weren't hydrated? No, I was hydrated. It's just, they kind of threatened me with a flamethrower. So. Oh yeah, you're made of ice. Well, are you artificial ice, or? I can do some tests. I'll be right back. So, is it cold? Very cold. Okay. I'm so bored now. Yeah, this is getting pretty boring. It feels like they've been taking 5 hours. They've only been gone for not even a minute. Alright, I'm back. Me too, and he ran some tests on me. Because I'm the smart one. He says that, I'm artificial ice. Yeah, so he can't melt. I just was scared. Oh, so you kind of saved the eggs. Yeah. Well, excuse me, but it's not like you're made of ice. Huh? Huh? Alright, everyone be quiet. We're gonna send out a spy for that. Who should I choose? Chuck, I choose you. Yes! Let's go. Finally, something exciting to do. Alright, what do I do? Spy. Oh, that's okay. Zoom.